Hello everyone, I'm right here at Lowe's. This is where we're going to be buying the material to build the whelping box, and I'm going to take you along with me, guys. So let's go. All right, everyone. I'm right here in the plywood aisle where we're going to be choosing the correct plywood that I'll be using to make the whelping box. We're going to choose a 4x8 sheet of plywood. I'm going to try to find that happy medium as far as quality. I'm not going to get the best or the cheapest plywood. I'm going to try to get in between. So the one I do have in mind, if you want to follow me, this one here. This one's 4x8. It's a rated sheeting plywood. We're gonna get this 4x8 sheet of plywood. We're gonna cut it in half. So we're gonna have two parts of 4x4. The other side of the 4x4, we're gonna cut into 4 equal parts, which is gonna be 4x12. And that's gonna be our side walls that we're gonna be using for the whelping box. We're going to use only one. So one we're going to mark, and the other one's going to be our base. So this is going to be our base. Which one did you want to mark? What I want to mark this one? Okay. Okay, so we're going to do 4 equal parts. So we're going to do a 4 part. So this is 4 equal. Okay, this is our bottom of our whelping box. It's a 4x4. The other side is being cut. Always make sure to wear gloves too, because you can get wood splinters. All right, everyone. Right here, going to be buying 4 pieces of PVC piping, and that's going to be what's going to prevent actually from the mother from laying on her puppies. So I already checked these out already, and what I'm going to be using is the 2" by 5 feet, but I'm going to have to cut them to 4 feet long because it's a 4x4 whelping box. So I'm going to get 4 of these here. And then you do need your corner pieces. So the corner pieces that you do need, I'm going to do the 90-degree vent elbow, 2 inches, which is going to be connecting to the side here to make our square. 4 90-degree elbows, 2 inches. So they got to be the same size as whatever PVC piping you're buying. So if I'm buying the 2-inch PVC piping, you need the 2-inch 90-degree elbows to make the square. 1. And do not forget, you also do need your PVC piping cement glue, which is the one I'm going to be using here. Hey everyone, the next step that I'm going to be doing is choosing a flooring for the Whelping box. I decided to do a vinyl flooring, so I'm going to choose this one here. If you want to show that. I'm going to be using this flooring right here. Here's actually one right here. You can actually see. These are 12 by 12. So if it's a 4 by 4, times that, 4 by 4 is 16. So you'll need 16 of these pieces here, and that'll cover the flooring. And it's vinyl, it's going to be easy for cleaning. So when the puppies do pee or use the bathroom or whatnot, it'll be easier for you to actually clean the area. Get a box.